going on, Doug?
Just doing some ironing. What are you doing? Steaming.
Nice. Special effects out, fogged up. About to shoot a wedding today, me and Ethan. I just wanted to test out this Osmo Action 4 that I have because I'm going to America next week and I just wanted to make sure it was like decent enough to vlog on. So I thought I would show you guys while Ethan's packing up here.
Sorry.
Show you the bag I'm taking and the camera gear I'm taking because I took a bit of a turn in my decision on what I was going to take with me. So last time when I went to America, I took my Sony kit. I think I took like an A7IV and a couple of lenses, and I just never used it because I took my X100V and I took all my photos on that. This time I'm mixing it up a little bit. So first I'll show you the bags I have. This one, Moment sent me this bag actually. Put that 24mm aside, that's not coming with me. So yeah, M-TW. It's just a cool like sling bag, like that. And then in here, I just have my AirPods Pro, my wallet, my little Olympus MJU2 film point and shoot, just run and gun moments that I don't need to use my Sony for. And then the other bag is this one here, which is a NYA Evo, or NAYA Evo, I'm not sure if it's actually one word, but they sent me this bag as well. But I did reach out to them. So I told them I would take it to America and just take some photos of it, make some content around the bag. And I said to them in the email, I was like, I'm gonna buy one anyway, so don't feel like you have to, but if you want to, send one out. And they did. So this is the NYA Evo 60C, I think it's called. And it's a pretty sweet bag. I'm gonna get it carry-on. I've checked the specs and the Air New Zealand flight specs are, it's 2 centimeters under what I can take on board, which is pretty handy. And I will give you guys a full walk around and review of this bag as well when I'm over there. But just testing out this Osmo. So in here, I have a 14-inch MacBook Pro with the M2 Max. The Osmo Action with the little stick fits in here, which is real handy. In the back pocket right now, I just have my Sony, what are they, WXM5s? Is that what they're called?
Yes.
Yeah, the new Sony headphones. And then I have this Maxpedition little pack. I need to put some more stuff in here, but it just has like charging cables. This is the Osmo Action 4 battery holder, so you put the batteries in here and it charges it and everything. I'm sure you guys know that. 10,000 milliamp hour battery pack, flashlight, and a little SD card reader. And then the stuff you guys really want to know about is in the back. So this bag has like cubes that you can interchange, and I have the large one and the small one, which is really cool. So camera gear, I'm going to take my X100 because I have spare room in here, and like, why not? You know, if I decide I don't want to shoot film or it's hard to get some, I can just use my X100. And then the camera I'm taking is my A7 IV, which I've blacked out. After using the Panasonic S5 2X, it's all blacked out from the factory. I was like, that is sick. So I wanted to make it look cool. I have the 24mm 2.8 G lens on here with a, the good thing is this filter size is the same as the one that is on the X100 adapter, 49mm. So I have the 1/8 black mist filter on the front of that. I'm stoked with this tiny little combo. That one, and then I'm also taking the 55mm 1.8, my trusty old beaten up 55mm 1.8, and that's it in terms of camera gear. And then also taking the DJI mics. You guys know what they are. And then I have a little Peak Design strap. That's it for camera gear, so yeah, just thought I'd make this little 5-minute vlog for you guys. That's the bag there. NYA Evo Fjord 60C. Quality of this bag is insane, honestly. Like the Peak Design bags and a few other bags you can get that have the pods in them. It makes the top storage kind of a pain, whereas this has this like bag thing. So if you open it from the top, which is the same compartment that all the other stuff is in, nothing, you probably aren't going to be able to see, but it's like sealed off, so nothing else can fall inside down in the bottom compartment. But like I said, I'll give you guys a proper walk around the bag anyway. How you doing, Ethan?
Good. I'm getting there.
Where did you get that backdrop from?
Ultraviolet backdrops out of Salt Lake City, somewhere in Utah.
Oh yeah, sweet.
Yeah.
It looks super
cool.
sweet.
Yeah, hand painted. Yeah, all handmade. They do some really cool work. First one in New Zealand, which is quite cool.
First one in New Zealand.
Yeah.
We'll put a link in the description, eh?
Yes.
Send in the video. Osmo Action 4. We got to get ready for this wedding, so we're going to pack everything up and head out of here soon.
Look out.
Peace.